And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send me this mini selfie stick tripod stand. Now, as you can see, this is compatible with MagSafe. It's the P15 mini, and I mean, this is a tiny box. Like, it's in my hand here. You can see the little selfie stick for iPhone, mini, MagSafe, 4-in-1 phone, etc. Now, on the back here, it has a ring pull chain, the stable 4-leg base, the sliding rail, as well as this, and it will swivel at will. And it goes to 16.6 max height. I'm guessing that's more than inches. Well, actually, if it's a mini, it might not be. It's probably not, being that it's a mini. It's only, that makes sense. You have a Bluetooth remote though, and it is Type-C with a 1 push button open. Nothing on the bottom or the top. So let's open this up and see what we're working with here. So we have, there we go. Nothing else inside the box there. Now we have a user's manual for our P15 mini selfie stick. Just a little bit of information there. Nice. Then the little included USB-C to USB-A cable. This is USB-A, the regular USB, and this is of course USB-C. And then this, oh, well, there's magnets there. This would be for a non-MagSafe phone. You could peel off this 3M sticky tape, put it on the back of your phone to where it would still magnetically work like a MagSafe phone. And then if I was to open this up, ooh, so this is how it works. You see, you can have this to put on your key rings or to clip it somewhere. You've also got this, very nice. Now, this just swivels right around, and then you use this to lock that position. Of course, you've got 1 push button here on the bottom, so you press that and the feet pop out, at which point now I have a teeny tiny stand for my MagSafe phone. Now, of course, if you don't have MagSafe, you can open up these here, and then you're able to just clip your phone right into here however you may need. And this is your little Bluetooth remote that you would use the USB-C charger for to charge, and then you're able to set this somewhere and use this to take photos, etc. I'll probably never really need this part of it, but like that that's included. And then of course you can extend this. Yeah, that's definitely just 16 inches, so you can see there. 16 inches, very small though, perfect for going on your desk. Like, this is a very small footprint, about the size of my hand there, as you can see. And so perfect for filming certain things, especially at your desk, or small items. I 100% am planning to use this, and my phone is actually MagSafe, so I should just be able to pop my phone right on there and it'll work as needed. So thanks again though to this company who was nice enough to send me the P15. Pull that together. Okay. So thanks for sending me the P15 mini selfie stick tripod stand. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.